I recently did a presentation where I had one participant who was quite vocal in their feedback. I don't mean feedback in that you're not doing something right, but in wanting to contribute, wanting to feel part of the process. When this happens in a work environment, rather than trying to shut it down, I encourage that person to give even more. Why do I do that? I do that because after I leave the organisation, I want to leave it in a better state than when I first came in. So my goal is to encourage interaction, collaboration and communication so that people start to share ideas and input, so that instead of going to Google straight away to look for an answer or just asking the key person in your organisation who's the go-to person for the answer, you're actually motivating, encouraging them and suggesting that they start talking to each other. Fancy that. And that perhaps their colleagues are more likely to have the answer to their question that they need help with than Google.